The Naviate command create house creates meshes from surveyed roof lines and attaches them to a surface. The command requires the surface to be created for the existing terrain and for the roof lines to have elevations. The command works best if the roof lines are closed polylines. If the file contains many disconnected lines, then run the Naviate command join lines that can be found on the Naviate landscape ribbon under the Create House drop-down. The command searches for a settings file called nvhousejoin in the Naviate support folder and joins the lines on the specified layer. The command works for 3D polylines. Once the lines are connected, start the Create House command. In the dialog, either select specific objects or all objects on a specific layer. The meshes are created in two parts, one for the house and one for the roof. Select the layers that you want the objects to be created on. To create a new layer, just type the layer name, then select the surface the meshes should be added to. If the houses aren't on even ground, then enter a value so that the meshes reach a specified distance below the surface. Click Create House to create the objects. After the creation is complete, use Edit House to edit one house at a time.